Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. Today we are going to make a beautiful trouser design. For this, firstly we will take a piece of bukram with width 3 inches and length according to your trouser size. Now we will mark 3 lines and make 2 segments with width 1 inch and after leaving half inch on both sides. Now we will mark at 1 inch along the length. And after joining these marking, we will have square like shapes. You can change the measurement of this design according to your desire. After joining all marking, finally our design look like this. Now we will stick this piece of bukram on our trouser cloth with the help of iron from sticky side of bukram. After sticking this piece of bukram on our cloth, we will take the shuttle and loose the screw on the top of this shuttle. After losing screw of shuttle, we will load the bobbin. I have used 2 colors of satin thread. You can use your colors according to your design. I have used 4 layers of 2 colors to load the bobbin. After loading, fix the bobbin into the shuttle and pull out the thread. After pulling out thread, we will tighten the screw of shuttle. After fixing the shuttle into the machine, adjust the tension regulator. I have adjusted this tension regulator at full length. Now we will make a stitch on all of our marking. Firstly, we will make a stitch on all side lines, then make squares. If you feel your stitch is loose or tighten, adjust this stitch from tension regulator. Now we will complete this and I will meet you after completing this design.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit.
After completing our design, it will look like this. Now I will embroider the flowers between these squares. You can use any embroidered items in these squares. For embroidering flowers, firstly we will take a round object to mark at the length of 4 petals.
Like a bird on a tree.
After marking, we will take a needle and make 4 petals with the help of buttonhole stitch.